Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2016 Ford Fusion 2.5. So right now you can see the ABS is on, traction control is on. Right now the code for the ABS is right front wheel speed sensor. Now that's the code right there. So I took off the front right wheel to get to the wheel speed sensor. Now I already took it off, I'm just showing you. So to get to the wheel speed sensor, you can see it's located right here. This is a 8mm. I took it out already. There you go. And then you just kind of trace the line, the wire where it goes. Now it sits on the bracket right here. Take this rubber piece off, and then you're going to take this rubber piece off the bracket, and then you're going to get to the sensor, which is right here. The red lock is broken already. This is very fragile, be careful with it. So what you're going to do is you're going to pry the red lock back and then press on the connector right here, and then same time pull the connector out. There you go. Now I got my new one here from Ford. This is original. Now I don't need the bracket. I'm just gonna take this rubber piece out because I already have the bracket up here. I don't need that bracket. Now the part number for this one is right here. You can see that's the part number right there. I put in my new wheel speed sensor in already. You can see I put it in, tighten down the 8mm, clip it into the bracket. Clip it into the bracket right here, and then since you're here, check out the connector on the one with the red clip. Check out the connector. Make sure the wire right here is not broken. Make sure the pin inside here is not damaged. Make sure there's no corrosion in here. So if it's good, go ahead and just reconnect it back. So now I'm going to clear the code. But you can see the ABS light turns off itself already, but the code is still here. So I'm in ABS, code, memory. There you go. Front right wheel speed sensor. It's a pretty simple fix. Just gonna clear it, and that's it. Code's clear. Exit. Let's turn off. Turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a wheel speed sensor replace. You guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.